Have you ever tried to back up your important files, only to be met with an error message that leaves you scratching your head? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the frustrating world of the tar command and how to fix the cowardly refusing to create an empty archive error. I totally get it. Seeing that error can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to back up your entire file system. You're not alone in this. Many users face this issue when using tar. Let's look at the specific situation. One user recently asked, "Why is my tar command giving me the error about creating an empty archive?" They were trying to back up their entire file system with a command that seemed correct. Sound familiar? Let's figure this out together. So what does this error mean? The cowardly refusing to create an empty archive message usually indicates that tar didn't find any files to back up. This can happen if the source directory is empty or if the exclude option is too broad. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you avoid this error in the future. To address the issue of the empty archive, the user should first check the command they are using. The command provided is attempting to create a backup while excluding the directory they are trying to back up. Next, the user should ensure that they are not excluding all files. If the only directory being backed up is excluded, tar will not have any files to archive, resulting in the empty archive error. The user can also verify the contents of the directory they are trying to back up. They should ensure that there are files present in the specified directory. If the user wants to back up the entire file system, they might consider using a different approach. They can remove the exclude option or specify additional directories to include. Finally, the user should run the adjusted command and check for any errors. If successful, they will have a backup archive without the empty archive issue. Fun fact, the tar command has been around since the early days of Unix. It's like the Swiss Army knife of file archiving. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user points out that while you have specified what to exclude, you haven't defined what to include in the archive. To fix this, you need to provide at least one path. If your goal is to back up the entire file system, you should use the command tar-c followed by a /. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always double-check your paths and exclude options before running your tar command. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to use the tar command without running into that pesky error. Remember, a little attention to detail goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and don't miss our next video.